Hi, my name is Niket Desai. I'm an engineering partner at PwC, and I co-lead our digital integration and architecture practice. Success for me is about ultimately building trusted client relationships to drive business and operational outcomes. How we do that is through unblocking teams, aligning stakeholders, and ultimately building automated pipelines to drive strong observability. I think people wouldn't really expect our engineers to bring in the human skills that we typically do on our engagement. So skills such as relationship building, active listening, empathy, storytelling via demos are things that our engineers regularly bring to drive aligned outcomes for business and technology stakeholders. I'm Niket Desai. I'm an engineering partner at PwC, and I'm a builder.